pipe that was leaking antifreeze out from this chamber. The leak, this is how it stays up, this way. The leak comes from an O-ring here. You can see it. It becomes hardened and the antifreeze fluid drips out of it. And you can notice it when the car is parked. You'll see a puddle on the ground that's actually antifreeze and not oil. First thing we got to remove is this air box. So this air box is in the way I mentioned. So we're going to have to remove these two bolts. They're 10 millimeters. We pull the sensor connector right out of here, loosen the air, loosen that up. Okay, so this comes off. This comes off. Okay, look over here. Take this off. Right, so it's loose. Pull this back. Wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Yep. Right there. And it comes off as a whole. This one is going to come up. Pop this up. Okay. Comes off.
And it leaks.
Okay, we just removed this. Now to get to the bottom, there's this air tube that allows the air coming in from the front to flow. So it looks like an air intake to the alternator. Right? This tube can come off. Just a matter of pulling it back. Okay. I'll take this off. Okay. So this is the plastic that came off. It was mounted this way. It comes off this, and this pops off. So we're going to take that sensor off. Squeeze this part, pull this out, comes right off. See that? Twist this, and it comes off. Pull this pin off. Yeah. Been pulled out. It doesn't have to be removed. Take this up. This one comes up. Okay. Okay. There. Okay. This is now removed. But now, since we already loosened that bottom, you should be able to pull up. Okay. We gotta go on the bottom. Once the bottom is loose, this should be able to move up and down. So we should be able to just pull this up. Is in, and put this in here. Okay. Lock it. Okay. Other side. Now we'll put the air box right in. See this part? I gotta get this part in there. It's kind of in. It's not all the way in. There. Okay. Let's just make sure that part is in. This is seated. These don't have to be. Okay. All right.